Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, simply type in services and from the search bar click here to open it. Then simply right click here, select task manager, then click on run new task, then click on browse button, go to this PC, then open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now just scroll down and search for system32 folder. So here it is, double click on it to open it. Again scroll down and find out cmd.exe. So here it is, simply select it and click on open. Now check this box and this will be our main path: C drive, Windows folder, system32, cmd.exe. Then click on OK, and from here we need to execute the command sfc /scan now and hit enter. So this process will take some time. Then we will execute the second method. Now on the services tab, simply search for Windows Defender Firewall. So here it is, we need to right click on it and select properties, and we have to set startup type as automatic and then start the services. Make sure keep these settings and click on apply and then OK. Once done, close this window and again go to search bar, type here settings, click here to open it. On this window select privacy and security. Once we are here, just click on Windows Security and then click on Open Windows Security. On this window we have to just click on Firewall and Network Protection. After that, just scroll down and click on Restore Firewalls to Default and click on Restore Defaults. Select S and we need to close this window and wait until the process completes. Then type exit to close the command prompt window. Restart your system. Simply like the video and subscribe our channel. That's it guys, you're good to go.